The upcoming Apple Glass is Apple's latest addition of another auxiliary device to its famed Apple ecosystem. These glasses will be using the up-and-coming augmented reality technology, or AR. They want to make it part of your daily routine, so you can swipe through your messages as you eat your morning breakfast without touching your phone. Combined with other optical subassembly. According to a patent filed by Apple, they are planning to use Apple Glass as an in-headset vision correcting system that won't need the wearer to wear prescription glasses beneath their Apple
Take my
Glass.
money now.
According to the patent, this optical subassembly will automatically adjust for people with poor eyesight. Gone will be the days when you'll need to get a new prescription, as devices like Apple Glass will be able to change their optical properties on the go. Another patcher that is rumored to be on the Apple Glass is something that can only be described as an immersible Google Street View. The difference is that unlike Google Street View, where you see the street on your mobile device, by using Apple Glass, you will be virtually transported to that view and have a full 360-degree view of the location. Information extracted from patents also suggests that Apple may use Apple Glass to help users see better in the dark. This will be done using depth
I ain't gonna see it. Ain't never gonna be the same.
With better spatial awareness in low light conditions.
I need that.